Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I recently posted on my Instagram account, also called Veronique Sky, a public service announcement asking people to please stop trying to fix a loose chair by putting random screws everywhere. That's only ruining the chair. So I created a small YouTube video as I was repairing some of my own chairs. Here it is. Alright, first things first, you want to remove this seat. So flip your chair over and let's look at the screws they have here. So you have 2 screws for the frame, and then this one screw is for the seat. So start removing these. I did this entire project holding my phone, filming by myself. So the video might be a little wobbly sometimes, but it's okay, you'll still get the lesson. Oh my god, this is what I mean. Look at this random screw somebody put in there. Look how they split the chair. Ay, ay, ay. They had even put one on top here. Look at that. Now I gotta patch that up, sand it down. Okay, now you want to figure out which legs are loose and on which side. Can't see too much. Like a hairline crack there, moving. It's hard to see in the video. This one's very loose. So this is the side that's loose. So we're gonna take out this screw to take apart that side. You might be able to see a bit better on this leg. It's loose on both sides. Okay, just another quick PSA here. If your drill keeps sliding on the screw, don't keep going. You're gonna strip this screw and you won't be able to take it out. I know mine was doing that, but it's because I'm doing it with one hand. I'm holding my phone. All right, this is the funnest part, I think. You take a mallet. Please don't use a hammer. You're just gonna dent your chair. So you use a mallet and you tap it on both sides. Remember to do the top leg too. They both have to pop out at the same time, or else you risk of splitting your chair. Woo! Yes! Okay, now you grab a rotary tool with grinding sanding attachment. You want to clear out the hole, make sure there's no old glue residue. So when you do put the chair back together, it'll slide in smoothly. Okay. So if your rotary tool dies, like mine did, or you just don't have one, use a flathead screwdriver. Personally, it's a lot more satisfying to use a screwdriver anyways. Just the feeling of hearing that glue crunch and clearing that hole out, I don't know, it's very satisfying. Don't forget to flip it over, empty out all the crumbs. See, look at that, all nice and cleaned out. So satisfying. Who am I kidding? I need both hands for this part. Let me put my phone down for a second. There it is. The surface will be pretty rough. I strongly suggest to sand it down. Make it as flat as possible so when you do put the chair back together, it's a really tight fit and no more wobble. There is wood glue. I just prefer to use my trusty Gorilla Glue, Super Glue. I just can use it for so many projects. Oh no, I put the glue in the wrong hole. Okay, let me add some glue and I need both hands for this. Let me put my phone down for a second. There it is. Okay, I really want to get this part on video. Let me try holding it with my neck. Oh. Okay, got it. Okay, after all your pieces are glued and put back together, I suggest not to wait too long. Put in your screws and just hold it tight and in place. And then you just let your chair dry without touching it. Look on your glue bottle depending on which glue you used. I waited 2 days. See? Nice sturdy chair. Thanks for watching and please remember to subscribe.